Powerful message for you, Arcturian Council. Beloved brothers and sisters of Earth, from the luminous confines of the cosmos and the higher planes of unconditional love, we, the Arcturians, extend this message to you with the intention of uplifting and enriching your souls. We speak to you from a place of deep love and ancient wisdom, a place where the light shines eternally and darkness dissolves into the vastness of universal love. We recognize and celebrate the remarkable journey you have traveled, a journey through challenges and learnings that have brought you to this point of transformation. The times when your hearts and minds were anchored in low-frequency emotions, fears, doubts, and anxieties are coming to an end. Now, more than ever, you are awakening to your true potential, to your divine and eternal nature. Your energy, radiant and pure, is connected not only among yourselves, but with all creation, forming a symphony of light and collective consciousness. In this state of evolution and expansion, every thought you have, every word you speak, every action you undertake is creating and expanding your light. We encourage you to keep your gaze fixed on the horizon of infinite possibilities. Leave behind the shadows of the past, those low-frequency emotions that no longer serve your higher purpose. You are in a new era, a frequency where your creative power not only vibrates in love, but also manifests realities based on the highest expression of this love. Remember that in every step you take forward, in every search for knowledge and truth, you are not alone. The universe is filled with beings of light and love who, like us, are here to support you, guide you, and accompany you on your spiritual journey. Do not hesitate to call on our side when you need assistance, guidance, or simply the warmth of a friendly presence. We are always by your side, watching over your growth and well-being. We encourage you to embrace your inner light, to recognize your power and unique beauty. You are destined for great things, to leave a luminous mark on the fabric of the universe. As you continue this sacred journey, know that every act of kindness, every word of love, every thought of compassion resonates through the heavens and contributes to the ascension of all humanity. With infinite love, respect, and unwavering faith in your divinity and potential, your Arcturian brothers. How impressive and revealing it has been to receive this message from our Arcturian brothers. Their words not only bring us light, but also offer clarity and understanding about the experiences we are living. Their message is a powerful reminder that we are not alone on our journey, and that we are part of a much larger and connected universe. This message guides us toward a deeper understanding of our own nature and the purpose we all share. It reminds us that each of us is a thread in the fabric of the cosmos, vibrating with love and infinite potential. I send a strong hug to your inner being, filled with gratitude and love. May this message illuminate your path and strengthen your connection with the universe. I am Zoe. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you in every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.